what's up? My name is Paolo. I'm a photographer here in the Philippines. Today is a very special episode because I'll be unboxing the new GoPro MAX. Here we go. Alright, so before I unbox, let me just say that I got the GoPro MAX from the Inbox stores. Check out their stores, check out their website to see their various product offerings. And I can say that they have a very good product listing. They have very good product lines, all original products. And also, I get most of my gadgets from them. They give me very good prices and also very good service. So check them out. Thank you, Inbox Stores, for hooking me up. So without further ado, I'm just gonna show you the GoPro MAX. All right, here we go. Okay, so this GoPro MAX is a 360-degree camera, meaning when you shoot, it shoots all around you, even the bottom, even the top. So it shoots all around. It has two cameras, two lenses, one in the front, one in the back. It has an LCD at the back of the front or back, whatever, to just so you can monitor what you're shooting. It has 6 microphones. I'm not really gonna go into much detail about all of the specifications of this camera, so you just have to look it up in the website. This video is actually just an unboxing for now because I'm gonna do a more in-depth review later. Actually, my review will be more of a real-world review wherein I use it real-world setting, just how a normal person would use it. So I also want to say that this is the first time that I will be using a GoPro camera, much more of a 360 camera. I have no idea how to use it, so I'm interested, in fact, kind of interested on how the learning curve for this camera will be. I hope, I'm sure it will be pretty easy because I use cameras every day. So yeah, okay. So it has plastic, protective plastic. Let's remove it. So when you open it up, it's just plastic. Just how you would see it displayed in the mall or wherever in the store. Okay, so just gonna show the camera right over here. The GoPro opens up from the bottom, the box. So I'm just gonna rip that off. Because it has a sticker here, I'm gonna remove the sticker on top. So it's a security sticker. It means that if you rip it off, you cannot really return it, so you know that it's sealed from the factory. Okay, I'm kind of having a hard time. How do you? Like I said, it's my first time to own a GoPro camera. So, okay, all right. Okay, so let's try and remove this one for now, and then I'll talk about more of the unit later. I'm just gonna talk about the other contents inside the box. So when you open it, you see instructions here on how to remove this thing. So it says here you're gonna lift this up, this rubber thing here, rubber stopper, and then you pinch these, and then it slides out. Okay, so that's how you kind of remove this thing. So I'm just gonna set this up, set this aside for a bit, and then talk about the other contents of the box. So, okay, so opening this up, you have some cards, some quick instructions on how to download the app, and then remove the mount, and remove the battery and the card, and the SD card. So yeah, more instructions on how to charge, the power button, and then the record button. So yeah, pretty much straightforward. We have stickers that nobody ever uses, I guess. I don't ever use. We have the manual, which I probably won't read because I'm that guy. Oh, the smell, by the way, it's a new smell. You know what I mean? New box smell. So opening this up, we have we have the pouch with there are things inside. Protective lenses, over here. Okay, it's kind of hard to remove. Protective lenses. We have two of them because we have two lenses in the camera. Okay, I'm just gonna put them back for a bit. The pouch, I'm just gonna test out the pouch right now. Okay, so if you put in the pouch, if you put the unit inside the pouch, it's sakto, it's just right. Probably not a good idea to have the mount included here. So, yeah. Okay, all right. So, that pouch over there. Then, on the other compartment, we have a USB-C to USB-A to USB-C cord, maybe to charge. We have the battery with I think this is a new battery. I read about it. Has a blue thing on top, so you know it's a new one. I think it outputs power more, so just so to keep up with the hyper smooth and other features of the new GoPro MAX and the new GoPro 8. GoPro Hero 8. So yeah, we have a mount, the curved mount here. I guess it's for curved surfaces. I don't know if I'm ever gonna use that. So, and also we have a rubber protectors for the lens. So yeah, basically those are the contents of the box. That's what's inside the box. Let me just give you a first few impressions of the camera. First of all, it's I didn't expect it to be this small. I thought it would be bigger based on what I saw online. I think I saw the other 360 cameras, which is a smaller one. But yeah, I think it's very handy. It will fit in the pocket. I don't want to do a pocket test right now because I'm wearing fitted jeans. If you remove the mount, so it's quite easy to remove. I also read about it that you don't need another protective casing just to have these ears. If you can see, they're quite easy to fold in and fold out. See? Okay, and then they don't fold out easily if you shake it. Okay, so the battery compartment is right on the side. So if you open it, you can see that it's waterproof. You can feel that it's waterproof because it's rubbery. It has like a water sealing on the lid. Try to put the card inside. I don't know which side to put, so I'm just gonna guess that this side is how you put the card in, and I'm right. So yeah, okay. So and then the battery. It's not so intuitive, but you know that yeah, it's kind of intuitive because it has like a plastic thing for you to pull the battery out when you need to pull it out. So yeah, pushing it in, just push it right in, no clicks whatsoever. So we also have here the USB-C port right near the battery. Okay, let's try to record a few. Let's try to record. All right, so now I'm recording from the GoPro MAX. It's very, very wide. So here up to here, yeah, it's very wide. I think that, I don't know if maybe like a 14mm equivalent on a full frame SLR, or maybe wider, maybe 8. Because it has a lot of distortion in it. Okay, anyway, so yeah, like I said, okay, paano ba to i-stop? Okay, so it gives you instructions when you first use it. I suppose maybe I'm just gonna explore that thing later. Okay, power off and then power on. Takes a millisecond to power on, and you know, readily use. So one note also, even if you open the battery door, pull it open, it doesn't shut down, not like other cameras. When you open the battery door, it shuts down or it stops you from operating it. So that's one thing. Maybe that's why you can charge it while using it, I suppose. I'm assuming with maybe with a power bank or something, or maybe a power source. Okay, so inside the pouch there are lens protectors. I'm just gonna quickly test them if they're working or if they're easy to install. So I'm just gonna pop them in, right, like so. I don't know how. Okay, so they're very easy to pop in. So just just kind of push in, and we have two, so let's try the other one. Okay, so let's push it in, pops right in. Okay, so yeah, the protective cases, they don't affect the image, I guess. Don't know yet. I see a bit of clouding, so maybe I should clean them first before I put them in. Yeah, that makes sense. Alright guys, so I'm just also gonna quickly unbox the Shorty, the mini extension pole and tripod. So let's get right onto it. So I'm just gonna open this up and let's see what's inside. So what we have here inside is just like a normal short tripod. That's why it's called a Shorty. So just when you open it, it's just a small tripod. Yep, it opens right up, and you just pull it, and it's right there. So I'm gonna try it with So yeah, it's relatively easy to install. So once you install it, I guess you don't have to remove it after. I guess you can use this for, for vlogging and stuff, and or like for selfies. If you put it like this, selfies, and this. Taking a video. I am not sure if the software will erase it on the 360 video. I guess we'll find out together. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. That's it for this video for now. Like I said, I'm gonna do a more in-depth real-world review of this camera. For now, it's just an unboxing video and first impressions. So yeah, if you want me to test something in this camera, let me know in the comments below, or if you want to know anything. So yeah, that's it for this video for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!